In the previous video, we saw how to prepare a CAD file and import it into SketchUp. We also learned what is the recommended workflow to create a drawing using CAD plan as the base. You can find the video in the SketchUp Beginners Tutorials playlist. Link is provided in the description below. Now, as you can see, I have already imported a CAD plan in SketchUp, and assuming that you have also followed the steps to import the plan, I am going to add walls into this drawing. For that, I have created some tags. If you are working on a previous version of SketchUp, you can create layers. Now, making the exterior wall layer or tag current, I will add some lines to the drawing to create planes. Now I will use a push-pull tool and pull these planes to a height of 10 feet to convert these planes into walls in 3D. Make sure they are on the correct layer or tag, and if not, place it on the correct layer by selecting the geometry and then selecting the appropriate tag or layer. Now clean the extra lines.